Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, professor in the AJIT Civil Department, Mangalore. I will explain the advanced surrounding. Okay. Now you go for the astronomical terms and definitions. Okay. First on crystal sphere. The imaginary sphere on which the crystal bodies appear to lie to studded is to be studded is known as crystal sphere. Zenith and nadir. Okay, the vertical line drawn through the observer station intersect the crystal sphere at two points. Zenith that is the intersection of the vertical line drawn through the observer station, which is the upper portion of the crystal sphere. It is the point of crystal sphere immediately above the observer station. Nadir is the intersection of vertical line drawn to the observer station with the lower portion of the crystal sphere. It is the point of the crystal sphere immediately below to the observer station. Okay. Next on the crystal horizon. Crystal horizon, it is the great circle traced upon the crystal sphere by the plane which perpendicular to zenith nadir line which passes through the center of the earth. Okay. Terrestrial poles and equator. Terrestrial poles and a 2 point in which earth axis of rotation meet the earth sphere. The terrestrial equator is the greatest circle of the earth, the plane of which is the right angle to the axis of rotation. Two poles are equidistant from it. Okay. Next one, crystal pole and equator. It if the earth axis of rotation is produced indefinitely, it will meet the crystal sphere in the 2 point. It's called north and south crystal pole P and P dash. Okay, the crystal's equator is the great circle of the crystal sphere in which it is intersected by the plane of terrestrial equator. Okay, now sensible horizon, it is the circle in which plane passing through the point of observation and tangential of the earth's surface intersect with the crystal sphere. Line of sight accurately leveled telescope lies in the plane. Visible horizon, it is a circle of contact with the earth of the cone of visual rays passing through the point of observation. The circle of contact is a small circle of the earth and its radius depend upon the altitude of the point of observation. Vertical circle. Vertical circle is a crystal sphere, is a great circle passing through the zenith and nadir. They all cut the crystal horizon at the right angle. Okay. Observe meridian. The meridian of the point, particular point in which circle which passes through the zenith and nadir of the point as well through the poles. Thus is the vertical circle. Meridian of the any particular point is that circle which passes through the zenith and nadir to the point of as well as through the poles. It is called vertical circle. Prime vertical, it is the particular vertical circle in which right angle to meridian and which therefore passes through the east and west of the horizon. Okay. Co-latitude. The co-latitude is the place of angular distance from zenith of the pole. It is a complement of the latitude. Okay. Next one. Altitude. Altitude of the crystal or the heavenly body, that is sun or star. It is the angular distance above the horizon measured on the vertical circle passing through the body. Co-altitude or zenith distance. It is the angular distance of heavenly body of the zenith. It is the complement or altitude. It is known as zenith distance. Azimuth. The azimuth of the heavenly body is known angle between the observer median and the vertical circle passing through the body. Okay. Declination. Declination is the crystal body, is the angular distance from the plane of the equator measured along with the star median, generally called declination circle. Okay, circle passing through the heavenly body and the crystal pole. That is great circle passing through the heavenly body and crystal pole. Declination vary from 0 to 90 degree and marked plus or negative according to body of the body is north or south of the equator. Okay, co-declination or polar distance. It is the angular distance of the heavenly body from the near pole. It is complement of declination, that is P is equal to 90 minus delta. Okay. Hover circle, hover angle, hover accretion. Okay. Hover circle is the great circle passing through the north and south crystal pole. It is a declination circle, heavenly body, thus its hover circle. The hover angle is the heavenly body, is the angle between observed median and a declination circle passing through the body. Hover angles is always measured westward. Okay. Right accretion. Okay. It is the equilateral angle distance measured eastward from the first point of axis to the hover circle through the heavenly body. Eclipse and solstice. Okay. Eclipse is the greater circle of the heavenly body which the sun appeared disturbed on the crystal sphere with the earth as the center of the course of the year. The plane of the eclipse is includes the plane of the equator of an angle of about 23 degree 27 minutes, but is subject dimension about 5 in the center. Solstices are the point at which the north and south declination of the sun is maximum. The point C at which north declination of the sun is maximum is called summer solstice. Okay. While the point C at which south declination of the sun is called maximum known as winter solstice. The case just reverse to the southern hemisphere. Okay. Equilateral point. This is a point of intersection of eclipse with the equator is called equilateral point. The declination of sun is 0 at the equilateral point. Okay. Vernal equinox or first point of axis is the sun of declination changes from south to north and marks the commencement of the spring. It is the fixed point of the crystal sphere. The autonomal equus or east point of Libra is the point which sun declination changes from north to south. The mark of commencement of antonomous. Both equidistant point is 6 months apart of the time. Okay. Now north, south, east and west direction. Okay. North, south, last one. North, south, north and south point corresponding projection of the north-south poles of the horizon. The meridian line is the line which observer meridian plane meets the horizon plane, and the north and south point of the extremes of it. It is the point of ZP. Okay. Zenith point in a plane of horizon is the direction of the north, while direction of PZ. Okay. Plane of this is the distance of the south east-west line, which is the prime vertical mid the horizon. The east and west point estimate of it. Since the meridian places both the equator planes on the horizontal plane, interaction of equilateral and horizon determine the east and west point. Okay, this is the figure. We can see the all this one. Okay, horizon angle, declination, horizon, equator, altitude, co-altitude, hour circle, declination. Everything is explained. Hour angle, eclipse. equators, okay, right equation, first point of meridian, everything we will explain here, okay. Okay, this is the figure, astronomical terms is explained here, okay. Now we go for the next one, coordinating system, very important coordinating system. The position of heavenly body can be specified by two spherical coordinates by the two angular distance along the axis of the great circle, okay, which cut each other at the right angle. One great circle is known as primary circle of the reference, and other is the secondary circle of reference. Thus, in a figure, position of the point M is specified with a reference to the pole OAB and the line OA. O being the origin of coordinates, the plane passed to OM and perpendicular to plane OAB, it will cut the latter in the line OB. The two spherical coordinates of the point M are therefore angle AOB and BOM at the center of the O, or the arc AB and BM. In practical astronomy, the position of crystal body can be specified by the system of following system of coordinates. Okay, these are the types of the coordinates. Okay, we can see A, B, C. This is the coordinate. Okay, AOB, AOB, and BOB at the center of the O. Okay, arc AB and BM is the practical astronomy position of the crystal body specified by following coordinate. Okay, there are different types: the horizon system, the independent equilateral system, the dependent equilateral system, and the crystal latitude and longitude system. Okay, these are the types explained